Welcome back. Today it's me Beto G. I'm going to be making Botswana trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be making Botswana trap beat. When you launch your FS Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this on your FS Studio app. You right click, then you click open. But for me, I've already launched my FS Studio. I'm just going to click here on FS Studio and enter my FS Studio app. Now, this is my channel rack. This is my mixer, and this is my playlist. I'm going to make sure you use this tool: file, edit, add, pattern, view, options, tools, and help. I'm going to click on add to pick my piano that sounds very good. Now I'm going to click on FL keys. After that, I'll put my cursor on channel here. As the cursor is pointing up and down, I'm going to left click and hold my left click button on my mouse. Then turn the mouse wheels to channel 6. After that, I'll put my cursor on my FL keys, right click, then click piano roll. I'll start to program my Botswana trap beat. As you can see, I've programmed my first 2 bars patterns on my Botswana trap beat. I'm going to click on select, put my cursor here at the starting of 3, left click and hold the left click button on my mouse, drag my mouse to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. That's okay. The next step is I'm going to program my bass melodies. I'll click on this here, place here, draw, then that's it. Now I'm going to pick another melody again to make it a 2 melody loops. I'm going to click on view channel rack, click on add, then I'm going to pick another melody again, which I'm going to pick this one called citrus. Then I'll put my cursor here on this empty space as the arrow is showing up and down, which is my cursor. I will left click on my mouse and hold it, turn my mouse wheels right up to channel 7. Put my cursor on this empty space, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. After that, I'll put my cursor on channel 5, left click, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B, which is the Ctrl button, and then you press B at the same time, copy it. The next step, I'm going to program a hi-hat, channel 3, I'll right click, then click piano roll. I'm going to program the first 4 bars. I'll program the first 4 bars now. Good. I'll click on select 5, I'll left click, hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B right up to bars number 8. The next step, our snare. I'll put my cursor on channel 4, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. I'll click on this draw here. This is my snare. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. That's okay. Now our kick, I will left click, drag my kick to channel 1. When bringing your kick in your channel rack, because it's your channel rack, you put your cursor on top of your kick, left click and hold your left click button, drag your mouse, just leave it and this on channel 1, then right click with your mouse, then click piano roll. At 1, at 2, I'm putting 2 kick. At 3, I'm putting 1 kick. At 4, I'm putting 3 kick. At 5, I'm putting 1. At 6, I'm putting 3 kick. At 7, I'm putting 1 kick. At 8, I'm putting 3 kick. That's okay. I'm going to click now on my kick. Click now on my effect target. Turn the bow knob right up. Let's go to our mixer now. Our mixer here on 6, I'll bring down the 6. On 7, I'll bring down the 6, the 7 a little bit. Turn down the 3, which is my hi-hat. I'm going to turn up my 3, which is the hi-hat. Turn up the 4, which is my snare. Turn up the kick, which is my kick. The channel 1 pattern. I'll turn the channel 1 pattern, which is here. That is my kick. 6, I'll click on slot 1, add the fruity limiter, click on slot 2, add the fruity soft clipper, click on slot 3, add the fruity limiter again. I'll click on slot 4, add the fruity parametric EQ2. Then on channel 7, I'll click on slot 1, add the fruity parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 2, add the fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 3 and add a fruity soft clipper. That's okay. On channel 3, these are the basic plugins you can use to mix your beats. I'm going to click on slot 1, add the sound goodnizer. On slot 4, I'll click on slot 1 and add the fruity parametric EQ2. Then if I put my cursor like this, as my cursor is pointing at the screen, I'm going to swap. I'll just click this button on the screen and on my mixer. Click everything. Then here again, here it says reverse polarities. I'm just going to click every channel I've programmed the beat and routed to and reverse the polarities. That's okay. Now make sure you use these tools. View playlist. I'm going to open my playlist. Part 1. I'll put my cursor like this and my cursor is pointing up and down. I'll right click on my mouse, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed has appeared at the top left corner of my FL Studio. I'll click on my draw, click on my kick, click on my playlist, click on my hi-hat. I'll click on my hi-hat, click on my playlist, click on my snare, click into my playlist, click my FL keys, click into my FL keys. I'll just click here, then click my playlist, click on my last melody citrus, click my playlist. After that, I'll click my select, my cursor here, I'll left click on it, highlight the left, press Ctrl and B. Then as it's showing like this, I'm going to put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, drag it to the left, make sure it jumps here. I'm going to put my cursor, as my cursor is pointing left and right, I'll left click and hold it, drag it to see the clear view. I'll click on this draw, put my cursor on 1, right click to remove the kick, right click to remove the hi-hat, right click to remove the snare. I'll click on my select, put my cursor here at 39, left click and hold it, drag my mouse to the left. You can see press Ctrl and A to highlight it like this, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat up to 79. Put my cursor up here and my cursor is pointing, I'll left click and hold it, drag it to the end. My cursor here as showing left and right, I will left click on it, drag it to the right to see the clear view. I'll click now on draw, click on my FL keys, then click now and extend my outro. Click on my citrus, click here to extend my outro. I'll click on my mixer here, 3 and 4, I will right click on my mouse, click create automation clip. I'll click on channel 4 here, right click on my mouse, and then click create automation clip. Now I'll put my cursor on top of this citrus, left click and hold my left click button, just scroll a little bit up, then click on this hi-hat, then click here. Then as my cursor is pointing left and right, I will left click and hold it, drag it to the left to reduce it, then just add it here at the starting point of my outro. I'll just add it here. Now it's very simple. I've finished making my Botswana trap. Since we were working our channel rack here we have put it on party mode. So when playing a beat on our playlist here, let's switch it to song mode here. This is our song mode. Now let's play the Botswana trap from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. We'll see you next time or after in another video on how to make trap beats. Thank you so much and goodbye.